Hi everyone, my name is Sanjana and I'm a second semester student studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining an important topic from the subject waste management. So let's get started. The topic for today's discussion is waste stream assessment. Okay, so let's start by understanding what is waste stream assessment. Waste stream assessment is a means to determine the basic aspects of quantity, that is the amount of waste generated in a community, both in terms of weight and volume, and also the composition, which is the different components of waste stream and sources of waste. The information relating to these basic aspects of waste is vital for making decisions about the solid waste management system, finance, and regulations. Put differently, an assessment of the waste stream is essential in the analysis of short and long term problems within the local waste management system. It also helps in targeting waste management activities and setting goals for different elements of a waste management plan. Waste stream assessment, however, is not a one time activity. It is a continuous and dynamic process because the characteristics of waste differ depending on the regions, communities, seasons, etc. Okay, so the first aspect of waste stream assessment is rationale for analysis. The reasons for analysis of waste composition, characteristics, and quantity include the following. It provides the basic data for planning, designing, and operation of the management systems. And two, the second point, an ongoing analysis of the data helps detect changes in composition, characteristics, and quantities of wastes, and the rates at which these changes take place, which facilitates the effective implementation of management systems. Next, it also quantifies the amount and type of materials suitable for processing, recovery, and recycling. It provides information that helps in deciding appropriate technologies and equipment. The forecast tends to assist designers and manufacturers in the production and of collection vehicles and equipment suitable for future needs. In the absence of reliable basic data, carrying out field investigations becomes necessary. And moving on, the next point we have is field investigation. Field investigations may take any one or a combination of the following forms. The first one is waste sorting. The sorting of waste into predetermined components takes place at disposal sites for weighing and sampling in order to determine the percentage of each component and the physical and chemical characteristics of wastes. It is also carried out manually, and the sample size of analysis is between 100 and 150 kg. The implements required for the 48 purposes include a sorting table, measuring box, bins or boxes to contain sorted materials, and a platform weighing machine. The next point is vehicle weighing. Vehicles are weighed when they enter the disposal sites loaded and exit the sites empty. Vehicles' front wheels are weighed first, followed by the rear wheels, and then the sum of the two gives the total weight. Weighing is carried out each day of the weighing period to determine the average weight. The weighing of loaded and unloaded vehicles is accomplished with a weighing scale or a weigh bridge. Ideally, the weighing scale should be operated during the entire period of operation of the disposal site, round the clock if necessary. An electronic or a mechanical portable axle scale with a capacity of 20 tons is suitable for the purpose. An electronic scale two or comprises of two loaded cell platforms, an electronic control, and a display unit. The quantity of waste measured at disposal sites reflects the disposal factor rather than a generation factor, since the measurements do not include wastes that are one salvaged at the generation and disposal sites, disposed of in unauthorized places such as vacant plots, alleys, ditches, etc., salvaged by collectors, or lost during transport. Finally, we have the last point, which is field visits. This means visiting institutional and industrial sites to identify waste being generated and disposal methods. Field visits involve visiting the facility, that is, industries, institutions, etc., viewing the waste handling system, and completing a questionnaire with the assistance of the plant manager or senior technical personnel who usually investigate wastes from industries and institutions. Collections of samples in sealed polythene bags follows for laboratory analysis to identify the physical and chemical characteristics. Each sample may be in the range of 1.5 to 5 kilograms. An assessment of the waste stream, in essence, helps us to identify the components that require improvement for effective implementation of waste management programs. So that's it for this video. I hope this topic is clear. If you found this useful, please do share it, and thank you for watching.